Hello, little yogis. Welcome to our happy yoga time. Today we're going to stretch, breathe, balance, and have lots of fun together. We'll move like playful animals, stand tall like mighty trees, reach for the sky and fill our hearts with happy energy. Every breath makes our bodies stronger, every stretch helps us grow, and every smile makes this adventure even more fun. Take one big deep breath in, hold it for a moment, and slowly breathe it out. Are you ready, little yogis? Let's begin our yoga adventure. Wake up, little yogis, morning's here today. Stretch your sleepy arms up high, let's begin to play. Touch the sky so gently, reach from side to side. Feel your happy energy growing deep inside. Breathe in through your little nose, breathe out nice and slow. Every tiny yoga pose helps your body grow. Wiggle all your fingers, wiggle all your toes. Every little movement helps your body glow. Little yogis, stretch and shine, everything will be just fine. Move together, laugh and play, growing stronger every day. Little yogis, clap your hands, strong and steady, take your stand. Healthy bodies, happy hearts, every day's a brand new start. Stand just like a tall oak tree, reaching way up high. Branches dancing in the breeze, under blue, blue sky. If you wobble, smile instead, trees still gently sway. Little yogis always learn more and more each day. Now become a bunny, hop across the grass. Little feet go hop, 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 moving nice and fast. Now become a turtle, slow and steady too. Every little yoga move is fun for me and you. Walk like little penguins, waddling in a line. Every little step you take looks so super fine. Stretch your neck like giraffes, reaching for the leaves. Touch the tallest branches, floating in the breeze. Little yogis, stretch and shine, everything will be just fine. Move together, laugh and play, growing stronger every day. Little yogis, clap your hands, strong and steady, take your stand. Healthy bodies, happy hearts, every day's a brand new start. Roar just like a lion, big and brave and proud. Little yogis, hear your roar, nice and big and loud. Stretch into a kitty, arch your little back, then become a puppy dog, walking down the track. Butterfly wings open wide, flap them nice and slow. Every little breath we take helps our kindness grow. Reach up like a rainbow, painting all the sky. Wave your colorful hands around, way up nice and high. Circle both your arms around, touch your knees and toes. Little yogis, don't forget, every movement grows. Twist your body gently, left and then the right. Every stretch is helping everything feel light. Little yogis, stretch and shine, everything will be just fine. Move together, laugh and play, growing stronger every day. Little yogis, clap your hands, strong and steady, take your stand. Healthy bodies, happy hearts, every day's a upon your hips now, chest so nice and wide. Feel your courage growing deeply down inside. Swing your arms like monkeys, climb an imaginary tree. Smile at all your yoga friends, happy as can be. Slither like a snake now, moving nice and slow. Every tiny movement helps your muscles grow. Stand just like a mountain, steady as can be. Strong from head to little toes, happy, calm and free. Balance on one little foot, count to 1, 2, 3. If you wobble, laugh a bit, that's exactly right to be. Reach up to the sunshine, touch the fluffy